So this is where my horny skull thing has gotten to. This is the last off the print version. This is printed in a nice glow in the dark green, which you can't see glowing right now, but and then this is it thermoformed. So what you can't see is that this, when I pick it up, it wants to fold, but it doesn't make a nice cup on the back. Yeah, and so what I've done in this one is poured boiling water over it, just over this hinge joint in here, mostly right in here, and then very gently curved that down, so that this whole arrangement has more of a cup shape. So if we look at the back of it, we can see how it would make a nice shoulder guard. Yeah. And then just as a little review, this is where it all came from. This is a model of a raven skull that I made, which I tried a number of different things with. Where did that take? Once I realized that when I drew them in a pattern with the horn, I realized they make quite a neat interlocking assembly. Here I'm just doing a little fooling around, which led to this mistake, which I'm going to make use of with the beak failing to print, running out of filament. Yeah, and back to the glow in the dark green. Happy internet. May the force be with you.